Good afternoon, everybody. Fan Man Steve here once again. It is Sunday, September the 16th, and I am in a very nice hotel here, just a little further into town. And this is a 9-inch Mainstays table fan that I recently just bought today. And this is it, and this is the box here. It's a pretty cool looking fan. It is a 3 speeds built-in handle, and it even has an AC plug-in. Fully assembled, no tools required. There's the top of the box, made by Mainstays. Let's put it to where it's not in Spanish. Okay, so these are basically the features to it. A 9-inch, 22.9 cm blade diameter, 3 speeds, built-in handle, and AC plug. And just pause to read all of that if you have to. Basically, just basically all of the suggestions for it of how you like to use these particular fans. And I do know that these fans weren't made by any particular company. These were basically just the kind of fans that were sold in stores and stuff like that. They weren't sold by any particular company. They are not, they weren't sold through anything. They were basically just branded by a name and sold in different other stores. And there's my coffee pot there in the background. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this thing open here. I do not have my tripod on me, so hopefully I can manage to do this one-handed. These are basically just the manuals that come with it. I guess I really don't particularly have to go over this. I'll just put that back in the box. I'll just get straight down to the demonstration. Okay, so here it is. It's pretty much made of all plastic. Has a really cool design to it. These are the legs for it, for the feet. There's the speed controller right there. 3 speed. Has the little 3 blade set. Okay, here's the back of it. And it has the C-shaped framed shaded pole motor. Mainstays 9-inch personal box fan. The model is MFB 918. Draws 120 volts, 60 hertz, and 0.7 amps and 45 watts. Made in China. Oh, great. And the date code is 322. So this was being built in March of 2022. And there's the customer service number down there. And there is the U.S. patient number, D6811799S. It's a pretty cool looking fan. does have the typical fuse plug. Alright, I guess we can go ahead and get this thing plugged in. Okay, so now I have the fan plugged in. Figured I'd put it in a place where the lighting is a little bit better, and there really wasn't too many other places to plug it back there. So let's go ahead and start this thing up and see how it runs. Okay, so this is the high speed. Oh, nice. It's a decent blower. Very quiet too, not loud at all. And it's with this running for the first time, it's taking a while to kick up to speed. Okay, let's knock it down to medium. With the design of the front guard to it, even here on the back, that gives it good air circulation, at least in my opinion. I'm pretty sure there wouldn't be too many fan collectors who would be too crazy about these Mainstays, but you've got to give them credit for one thing. Okay, just drop it down to low. Even low has good air volume to it. Quality to this really isn't bad. Okay, let's kick it back up to high. Okay, now we'll power it off. Spin down really isn't all that great, but hey, this did just come out of the box, so it's going to take some use out of this. And before you know it, it's going to require some lubrication. This is our little hotel fan here, and decided that I'll leave the big boys at home. So let's see if we can capture a startup sound on this.
Okay, Steve, I'll be right back. Okay, Mom and I are gonna run to Walmart real quick. So are you okay here?
Yeah. I'm sorry, I'm recording. You're fine. Well, you don't have to be quiet. You're good. Well, not much of a startup sound to this, but it's still a sweet runner. Well, there you go, everybody. There is an unboxing and demonstration of this little 9-inch 3-speed Mainstays table fan. I hope that you've all enjoyed the video and more content to come, and have a good day. Bye-bye.